Life used to be so simple. Take a saw, a little climbing gear, a little rigging gear, go cut a tree. Now we got to have all this technical stuff, all our electronics that we got to get plugged in and make sure that everything's all charged up to do our tree work. Pretty crazy, huh? 3 GoPros, a couple Cenas. The GoPros, that's for you guys. The Cenas, that's for me. Makes communication with my ground guy flawless, easily understood. I don't have to yell. Makes for a good time. If you haven't checked out the Cena helmet communication systems, check them out. They'll make your life a lot easier if you're doing trees. My happy little family of charged electronics. Ready to go for another day. Alright guys, we got a job. All we got to do is get it on the ground. We don't have to haul anything away. So all I need to do is figure out what climbing stuff and rigging stuff I need for today. Looks like we got plenty to choose from here. All sorts of nice gear here. Let's see what I decide to use. Alright guys, here's the gear I've chosen for today. There's all my rigging gear. Got saws, got a 261, 201, 461. Gonna be hot today, gotta have that water. Got my fuel and oil up in there. Got all my climbing gear up in here. Got some climb lines down here. Got my saddle, helmets, got slings. That should get us for today. So let's go see what we can get done. Alright guys, here's the tree. It's a big old pecan tree, I think. We've got to take that top section off right there that's over the house and bring it back. And the wind is gusting pretty good right now, so get set up and we'll get rolling on this. That's one cut, there's a couple more yet. Alright, there's one more cut. It's probably going to drop a little bit on its own. Ready for that. About to hang up on a place where that other guy cut it off. more, chump.
Put it in reverse. Back it up, Terry.